Hey there foodies! Welcome back to AILOVA HOTPOT. Today we're making a delicious and traditional Indian dessert, Malpua. Crispy on the edges, soft in the center, and soaked in sugar syrup. It's the perfect sweet treat for festivals or any special occasion. Let's get started. Malpua recipe ingredients. For the Malpua batter, you'll need 1 cup all-purpose flour maida, a 1/4 cup semolina sooji, 1/2 cup milk, 2 tablespoons yogurt, a pinch of cardamom powder, a handful of crushed fennel seeds optional, a small pinch of baking soda. For the sugar syrup, chashni 1 cup sugar, 1/2 cup water, a few saffron strands geyser, 1 teaspoon rose water, optional, and for frying, ghee or oil. Preparation. First, let's make the sugar syrup. In a pan, mix sugar and water, bring it to a boil, and let it simmer until it reaches a 1-string consistency. Add saffron and rose water, then set it aside. Now for the batter. Mix flour, semolina, yogurt and milk in a bowl. Whisk until smooth. The consistency should be like pancake batter. Add cardamom powder, fennel seeds and baking soda. Mix well and rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Cooking Malpua. Time to fry. Heat ghee or oil in a pan on medium heat. Pour a small ladle of batter and spread it slightly. Don't make it too thin. Fry until golden brown on both sides. Once fried, dip the Malpua in the warm sugar syrup for 20 to 30 seconds. Let it soak up all that sweetness. Serving. Garnish with chopped nuts, a sprinkle of cardamom, or some rubbery thickened milk, for extra richness. Serve warm and enjoy the melt-in-your-mouth goodness. And that's how you make perfect Malpua at home. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious desserts. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. See you next time.